Ooh, a package. Check this out. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, come on, seriously? Air pillows. Well, we all know what they are. But did you know you can make them at home? In today's episode, I'm going to show you how these are made in basement. There are many different shipping filler materials like styrofoam peanuts, foam pads, packing paper and so on. But air pillows seem to be the most useful and popular these days. They're super light because they are mostly air. I've been buying them in huge bags so I can ship orders to customers. And as you can imagine, they take up a lot of space and are not that cheap. But I was really surprised that you can buy a machine to make your own air pillows at home. These are not cheap, but I quickly realized that it will save me money over time, and also it's super convenient too. That's why I decided to share this unboxing video and also show you how this machine works. By the way, there's an Amazon link in the video description if you decide to get one. Today we will be unboxing this Mini Air Easi 2 cushion air pocket maker, basically. First thing, you see this warranty void if removed, which is interesting because I have to open it. It means I'm gonna void my warranty? No! How am I gonna open it? I can do it from the bottom. No, this is just stupid. Let's void our warranty. So, this is the system. See, I did not know it comes with some airbags. So this one is kind of like a bubble cushioning thing, and this is actual airbags, small roll. Next, we have this thing. This is pretty heavy. I'm not sure exactly what it is. We have the power cable, the actual system here. It's pretty light, surprisingly light. And what else we have here? A toolbox. Remove this what I need. Silicone thing. Silica. Okay, looks new. It's very nicely made. Nice sturdy plastic here. So in the box we have this weird plastic strip, I don't know what it's for. We have item name, serial number, certification of quality. There's no inspector name. And there's 2 hex wrenches. Here's the metal nozzle, some stuff, and now I know where this thing goes. So this part very obviously screws in here, like this, and then it just rotates easily. And I guess then you put the bag here, take it here, put like it goes through the blower. There's some wheels inside. It's off, on. So this lever moves the wheel away, so you can prime it. And then you have some controls here. You have 1, 2, so you have plus minus, another plus minus. So this is temperature, this is fan, start, stop, in, out. So I guess this is load, unload. Just pretty simple buttons here. Let's take a look what else we have here. On the bottom, there's 3 feet. There's some warning here, and there is a plug, on-off switch, and the USB port. Interesting. All right, let's see if we can use this thing. So I am going to plug it in. Which way? I think it goes here. So first step, turn it on. There's a switch. Okay. The air shows the serial number, I guess. We already installed this. Our temperature set to 72, fan is 16. This is the manual. So I'm going to use these small bags, which I think they are 8 by 4 probably. So fan is 16 and temperature is 75. This is the temperature, let's do 75. Fan is 16, perfect. So next I'm going to remove this label here. Remove this pretty easily. I'm going to unwrap it. Make sure this bottom thing with line is on the bottom, because it's going to go into this thing. Is it hot? Nope. So let's see. I think this is right. Insert. This is the first time I'm using it, by the way, so hopefully I'll do it right. And this is on, so the rollers are pinched together. This is here. I have to press in out to load it. So press and hold. Cool. All right, let's press start. Woo. Okay, so it's inflating and it's moving. Wow. That's fast. Let me stop this. Stop. And let's see. That was fast. Ooh, these are nicely inflated. Not all the way, so a little bit soft. I would say maybe 75% filled. But this is great. Wow. Wow, this is nice. Look at this. Like this. Nice. I'm guessing if I increase air, it's gonna inflate them more. Let's test my theory. So let's do fan to 20. We're gonna blow it up. Yeah, let's do it. And start. Okay, that's enough. What do we have? Nope, they are inflated about the same. I don't know. For the larger bags, they recommend... Oh, wow. For the wrapper, which is this thing, they recommend fan to be between 38 and 35. Well, let's try 30. See what happens. 30. And start. Whoa, yeah. I think they are getting more air now. Let's see. Oh, I destroyed this one. Alright, they are, you know what? A little bit more air, but not much more. But I think this is fine. They're supposed to be cushions, so I think I'll just leave them like this. So another thing is, if you take a look, these are recyclable and these are number 2 HDPE. So these actually can be recycled in New Jersey where I live. That's good. But another thing is, this company, they make biodegradable bags. They decompose in soil. So it's not really plastic, it's like cellulose or something. The problem is you cannot order them easily. You have to order large quantities because they have very low shelf life. And the companies say they don't stock them. Let's see what it takes to pop them. Wow. Okay, and this one is harder to pop. Wow. So yeah, less volume, stronger it is. How do you unload it? I don't know. In, out. So if I press this, nope, it's going in. It's not going out. Huh. Well, I think if I open this and just remove it, let's change our bags and let's try this bubble thing. So you can make your own Bubble, bubble, bubble bag. Okay. And where's the bottom here? Bottom is, okay, this way. Okay, this is pretty tall. So let's load this one. Okay. And let's load it in. Okay. We are loaded. So now we're going to use recommended settings, which is still 75 temperature. And this is bubbles, so we're gonna do 38 for the fan. And let's do this. Start. Okay, I think it's heating up or something. Oh, interesting. Yeah, it's working. So it's inflating even all the way back to the roll. And this is what you get. You get this nice, wow, very nice bubble wrap. Yeah, actually, they're deflating. What? Oh, you know what? The further you go, the more inflated they are, because I guess it takes time to heat. And you cannot really pop these like regular bubble wrap. Oh, because this is the whole roll. You see? Yeah, I can feel it. So air goes all the way here, then another one, and so on. Yeah, they're not connected to each other. Well, they were through this channel, and this is what seals the. This is why you need the temperature. There's a heating element which seals the bottom. Yeah, this is very nice. This is a very nice material. And again, this is number 2 plastic HDPE, which is recyclable in New Jersey and probably in all other states. Perfect. Very cool machine so far. Super easy to use. Well, so as you can see, this machine is pretty good. Easy to use. Took me just maybe 5 minutes to figure it out. It makes great pillows. Makes them very fast. You don't have to have a bunch of storage to keep these things. I used to buy them in huge rolls. So now you just have this and that's it. And you make as many as you need to. Perfect. This thing works for me. And if you are running business that does a lot of shipping, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching my channel. If you find this video useful, give me a like. And if you want to see more, subscribe. Bye!